Sally. Just please know what your bait can handle. It sounds like the wind is going to pick up later, so please be aware of that. Yes, boys, good morning. Fucking, we are. Whoa, slow down, Sally. We are here live from Bronkies Dam. Last night we rigged up for 6 to 9 hours non-stop. Check your boy rigging again now.
I rigged the wrong rod, bro.
Fucking hell.
All a bit of fun.
Have a sick day. Oh no.
Right.
Boys, we were on edge and we needed something.
Check at him go. Check at that thing.
Punching crawl.
What is that?
First fish on the boat.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It is a hog.
Come on. What a feeling. Do-do-do-do-do.
My man, it's been a long time coming. Wow. My first competition fish.
Yes. 3 fish in the boat.
Yeah, boy. And I contributed.
Yeah. What's the back there? Yes, Dale. Healthy fish.
What? 153.
153. Alright. Thank you, Bronkies. Thank you, fishies. Check out this. Fucking hell. What do you think, Dale?